Yes, I think I do. Tonight I dare you to dream. Go on, believe in impossible things. Whenever anybody says there's anything we can't do, 'cause after all, there's an American flag on the moon. Oh, 200 years. Think about all we've done so far. I don't see any reason why tomorrow can't be ours.
Tonight I dare you. Go on,
Believe impossible things. Whenever anybody says there's anything we can't do, 'cause after all, it's an American flag on the moon.
ఏం చేస్తారు కదా ఒక ఇంటికి ఏం జరుగుతాయి కదా ఒక సిటీలోనే ఇట్లా చేస్తారు. ఎన్ని కోట్లు తింటున్నారు ఏంటంటే నేను చేయొచ్చు కదా చెప్పచ్చు.
Oh, beautiful, our heroes proved in liberated skies. Who more than self, well, country love, and mercy more than life. America, America, may God thy gold refine till all success be nobleness and ever again divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing something like this. Listen here. Oh, beauty God, vast spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, far purple mountain majesties, over the fruited plain. Well, now wait a minute. I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know, God done shed his grace on thee. He found out good. Yes, he did. Heavy brotherhood from sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody to help me sing this. America, I love you, America. You see, my God, he done shed his grace on thee. You ought to love him for it, 'cause he found out good. He told me he would. Every brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Thank you, Lord.
That was nice. That is nice. That is nice.